How to create a Stripe account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and download and install the Stripe application. So let's tap on the search bar and search for Stripe application. And as you can see, I've already installed it. So let's tap on open. As you tap on open, you just have to wait until it loads us to the home page. Let's wait for a few more seconds to add the accounts over here. So let's sign up. So here how you can create your account is you just have to enter your email ID. So enter your email ID, enter your full name, and enter your password. Then you can select a country over here. So let's select the country and then tap on get emails and then tap on create account. And that's how you can create a Stripe account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.